from BSIT41, currently taking the accounting course which has Business Central in its module. So in today's video, I'm going to present to you on how to generate reports and analysis for purchasing and payable in Business Central. But before that, what is the purpose of generating reports in every transaction? Well, it is because to track and summarize information that has been used in the transaction and also to keep the data for the future use. So let's move on to the discussion on how we can generate reports for purchasing and how is it done. On the homepage of Dynamics 365 Business Central, we can see the 5 modules which are the Finance, Cash Management, Sales, Purchasing, and Shopify. In my topic, only the Finance, Sales, and Purchasing modules I'm going to use. So before we generate the report, let's create an item first and a transaction to show it on my report. So I'm going to go here in the Sales module, click the items. So I'm going to create a new item. So this is my item number 1119. So the description is speaker HP. So the inventory, let's use this one. I have 150 pieces right now, so there. So each speaker cost 519. I think that's it. So here's my new item, and I have 150 pieces. So let's create a transaction, which is the purchase order. So I'm going to create a new one. For Loraine Rito. Wait, I'm just gonna use this one. So I only have 2 items, so let's add a new one. It's okay. So I think I'm gonna order just one. So yeah. So after that, and so let's print that out. So here you can see my total, which is the 1,117 pesos. Since I have 3 items, the black mug, phone case for Vivo, and the speaker, the new one. So after creating the purchase order for that item I created, let's now proceed to our report and analysis. So after we create an item and also transaction, let's click this hamburger icon and click the explore more roles, and under the reports and analysis, or if the tab direct you here, you must click this one. Look for the purchasing module, and under the purchasing module, go to the purchasing reports, and under that I'm going to generate a report in the inventory purchase orders. The inventory purchase orders card will show up, and I'm going to print all of the transactions here. And here's the inventory purchase reports. As you can see, there's a lot of transaction here. So let's look for my name. So here's the first name item, the block mug. You can see my name here, and also earlier you can see I have the item block mug in my card. And the second one is this one, the phone case for Vivo, and the new one is the speaker, the item we created. And you can see the price here and other information needed. So that is how we create a report on purchasing. And how about on the payable? So in generating reports in payables, it is also the same in purchasing. Just click the hamburger icon, explore, and go to the reports and analysis, and look for the finance module. And under that, go to the payables reports, and what I'm gonna generate is the vendor order summary. So here's the vendor order summary card. Just print all of the transaction, and here's the report. Just look, my name is Loraine, my Rito. So here's the before, and that is also my total. It is because if you sum up all of each item, it will sum up to the 1,117. And once you minus the total VAT, 186.17, the total will be 930.83. So there it is. That's how we generate a reports and analysis for purchasing and payable. For the reminders, tips and tricks, in order to know how the transaction works, just imagine the flow on how we program the code or the logic in our system. It is the same logic on how to transact here in Business Central. As long as we know how it should be done, we can create it. So if you have questions, we can also ask it on Google or read some modules in Microsoft Learn about this. So I think that's the end of my video presentation. Thank you for watching.